Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do you want to practice speaking English more naturally when you travel? On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than translating. Today's story is called Security Drama Liquid Rule. It follows a very common airport problem. You bring a big bottle, security stops you, and the line is watching. You will practice calm, useful English for speaking with agents, correcting mistakes, and catching your flight. Relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Early start.
My name is Jack. I am flying to see my sister. I arrive at the airport early. The hall is bright and clean. I print my boarding pass at a kiosk. I check the gate on the screen. I drink some water and breathe. I feel relaxed and ready.
The bag.
I carry one black backpack. Inside is a laptop and headphones. I also bring a metal water bottle. It is full, cold, and heavy. I like to stay hydrated. I forgot the rules for liquids. I tell myself, no problem today. I walk toward security with confidence.
The line.
Security looks busy but fast. I take 2 gray trays, shoes off, belt off, jacket off, laptop out of the bag, please. Phone and keys in the tray. I slide the trays to the belt. I smile at the officer politely. I step through the metal detector.
The pause.
The detector is quiet. No beep, no alarm, no problem. I wait for my trays at the end. They have not come to me yet. An officer raises her hand. "Sir, please step aside," she says. Her voice is calm but firm. My stomach feels a little tight.
The question.
The officer points to my backpack. "Is this your bag?" she asks. "Yes, it is," I answer. "We need to check it," she adds. She opens the zipper slowly. She takes out my water bottle. The bottle looks big and shiny. I realized my mistake immediately.
The liquid rule.
"Do you know the liquid rule?" she asks. "Not really," I say honestly. She speaks slowly and clearly. Liquids over 100 milliliters are not allowed. They must fit in one clear 1-liter bag. Full bottles cannot pass the checkpoint. Please empty or discard this bottle. Her words are simple and direct.
The feeling.
Heat rises in my face. People stand in line behind me. I feel embarrassed and clumsy. I whisper, "I'm sorry about that. I forgot it was full today." The officer nods with kindness. "This happens all the time," she says. "Let's solve it now," she adds.
2 option.
She explains my choices clearly. Option 1. Empty the bottle now. There is a fountain over there. Option 2, go back and check it. Time is yours. Your flight decides. I check my watch quickly. Boarding starts in 40 minutes. I chose the faster option.
The decision.
I walk to the water station. It is next to the repack table. I press the button and pour cold water rushes down the drain. The bottle becomes light and empty. I twist the cap on tight. I take a breath and refocus. I return to the officer with thanks.
Try again.
She smiles and rescans my bag. The screen shows a clear image. She hands me the empty bottle. Refill after security, she suggests. There is another fountain by gate C. Thank you for explaining, I say. She nods and steps aside. I feel relief in my shoulders.
Another surprise.
She points to a small pouch. Any liquids in here? She asks. I open it in front of her. I see toothpaste and face cream, a small sanitizer and eye drops. I feel nervous once again. I forgot to group these items. I look up and wait for guidance.
The bag check.
She gives me a clear plastic bag. Please place them inside, she says. 1 bag per traveler, she adds. I line up the small containers. Each is under 100 milliliters. I zip the bag and show her. She checks the sizes quickly. Perfect. You are good to go.
Simple phrases.
I practice calm words in my head. May I fill this after security? Where can I find a clear bag? Is this size okay for travel? Thank you for your patience today. The officer nods with a smile. Polite words open helpful doors. Clear speech keeps the line moving.
Through at last.
I put my shoes back on. I pack my laptop and cables. I place the clear bag on top. I lift my backpack and breathe out. The worst moment is over now. I roll my neck and relax. I follow the signs toward the gates. I walk at a steady pace.
A short break.
I find a fountain near gate seat. I refill my bottle with fresh water. I take a long drink and sigh. I text my sister on my way. She sends a heart and a smile. I check the time once more. I still have 20 minutes left. I sit where I can, hear announcements.
A friendly tip.
A traveler sits beside me. He saw my trouble at security. He says, happens to everyone. I carry tiny travel bottles. I refill after the checkpoint, he adds. I thank him for the advice. I write a reminder in my phone. Small habits prevent big stress.
One more check.
I look at the departure screen. My gate is still the same. Boarding begins in 10 minutes. I place my passport in my pocket. I keep the clear bag handy. I pack my jacket on top. I stand and stretch my legs. I join the line calmly.
Boarding.
The agent scans my pass. Group B, welcome aboard, she says. I smile and say, thank you. I walk down the jet bridge slowly. I feel lighter with every step. I find my seat by the window. I stow my bag above my head. I click my seatbelt closed.
What I learned?
I open my notebook to write. Empty bottles before security. Always. Pack liquids under 100 milliliters. Use one clear 1-liter bag. Ask questions when unsure. Stand back, repack, and breathe. Kind words help the process. Calm solves problems quickly.
Takeoff Calm.
Engines hum softly under the wing. Clouds float like white islands. My shoulders drop and relax. I close my eyes for a moment. Small problems became small lessons. I am ready for the trip. I think of my sister's smile. This flight already feels easier.
Great job today. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. Security Drama Liquid Rule reminds us that travel confidence is built with simple habits. Empty bottles before security, use travel size items, keep a clear bag ready, and ask for help when you need it. Calm words and kind manners turn stress into solutions. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners. For more shadowing practice, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, one page, one story, one step. Your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.